Okay, so just continuing that previous example, what I'm going to show now is how to use the Edit Translations page to manage translated labels and things. So what I've done is, with the same website, I've just installed the Contact Us app. So now if I view the front ends, actually, well, here it is here. Yeah, so here's the front end, and I can now go to /contact us. And as you can see, this has got all English labels, but I am viewing the site with the French language selected. Now you also notice I've got K toolbar showing up here, and it says admin, so that means I am logged in as an administrator. Now when you're logged in as an administrator and you view the site with a non-default language, the system automatically captures any labels which can be translated. So we see that here. I'll go to the Edit Translations page and I'll filter by French. So you can see these are all the labels that the system saw when that page was generated, and it's automatically populated these for me to make it easy to edit. So what I can do then is I can just edit them to be French. So the first one I'll do is first name. And I'll use good old Google Translate here, which tells me that the translation is prénom, I think. And I'll find that one in here. Here it is, first name. And here's the translated field, which has just defaulted to its English value. So I'm just going to paste it in there. And so now when I refresh the Contact Us page, you can see it has put in the French translation. Now the next part is, you'll notice here in this light text it says enter your first name, so that's a placeholder for the input. So I'll get the translation for that as well, enter your first name. So apparently is that. I won't try to pronounce it. Well, here we are. Okay, so I'll just go back here, and there it is there. Right, so I'll just go and paste it in there, and I'll refresh that, and sure enough we have the correct placeholder now. So you'll see all of the different labels used by the system will be generated automatically into that page, into this page here. Now, just as an aside for developers, if you want to use labels in your own code, I'll just show you how to do that. What I'll do is I'll hop into the website manager, go to the code section. So here's the contact us form that we were just looking at. And this is the HTML for it. And as you can see on this label here, which is label for first name, we have this class trans lookup. So that's what tells Kademi that this label should have its text translated. And we also have that same class here on the input, and so that does the same thing. Now Kademi understands labels and inputs, but you can also put that class just on any input, or sorry, any element, and it'll translate the text of it. Right. Okay, so that's it for labels. Thank you.